guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sukhmani Karsodi. I'm a numerologist, a tarot card reader and a life designer. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today the topic of our reading is the current feelings of your person. Today we're going to check in the reading how is your person feeling about you, what is his current status, current feelings about you, about the relationship. So we're going to check that in this reading. So stay tuned guys, and I request you all, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Hit the like button if you like the video, and please comment about the reading. How did you like the reading? What did you like? What did you appreciate? Okay, and how it resonated with you. So guys, please stay calm and stay positive before starting the reading, and I request you all to pray to the angels, to the God, to the universe, so that I'll be able to give you the right answer. Okay, so guys, we have got the first card here in the current feelings of your person. Just a second. The Star we have got. This is the first card, the Star. 7 of Cups. What else we have in the current feelings of your person? 5 of Swords. 5 of Wands, the Hierophant, 3 of Swords, Page of Cups, Strength. Okay, so bottom of the deck is the Empress. Right now, I think first of all I would like to discuss the signs. It can be your sign as well as your person's sign. So here we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Okay, so guys, here I'm able to see that this person must have made the false promises to you. He has betrayed you. First of all, I would like to tell you all that my readings are not gender specific. If I'm using the term he or she, that doesn't mean I'm talking about a male person or female person. Okay, these readings are actually not gender specific. So you can take up according to the situation, according to your situation. Okay, so here I can see that this person is in a third party situation. He has betrayed you. The betrayal is definitely the case in your situation, and right now he is not at all sure whether to go with the third party or whether to choose you. He is confused. This person is confused. He doesn't have clarity about the situation, about the right choice. I think that he will take some time off and think whether to choose you or the third party, because he must have gone to the third party because of some material gains or some selfish interest. I don't know what, but this person is not at all sure. Maybe this is a time pass relationship, or he has had this thing in his mind that maybe some people have this feeling, this kind of behavior to cheat and to hunt for other partners. I think he has that kind of a behavior in nature. Here I can see that this person is very arrogant. He just wants to, because this reading was actually about his feeling towards you. So I can see that he is not at all clear whether he should choose you or he should choose the third party. This person has many options. Seven of Cups here is showing he has many options, and he's not able to decide. He's dittery, he's indecisive, he's not able to decide whether to choose you or the third party. Okay, so I can see that the situation here is stuck. This situation is stuck because this person is not ready to move. He's still in this confusion. But believe me, this is not the end. This is not the end, because this person is still stuck on you. This person is still stuck on you. Maybe this person is trying to control himself. like this lady is controlling the lioness. And one more thing, the third party is controlling this person as well. This person is so stuck that he's not able to move, without the guidance of the third party. So right now I can see that he's trying to balance himself. This person is attracted towards you. He feels that you were the lucky charm of his life. Why I'm saying this? Because of this card, the star. He thinks that you are unattainable. Maybe just because of the situation right now, maybe he has left you, he has abandoned you and just moved with the third party. And now he feels that maybe he can't make you come back in his life. So he is into the confusion. He is not clear about the thoughts. Okay, he is actually fighting a battle. He's facing a lot of problems in his life. He's not able to decide. He's not able to understand. He's fighting with every second person in his life. And one more thing, which is a very beautiful and positive sign here, the card Hierophant. So guys, this card actually shows marriage. This card shows marriage. Because the question was whether, the current feelings of your person towards you. So this person is actually thinking about the marriage, the commitment with you. He is regretful of what he has done. He is in remorse. He is into the feeling of remorse, and he is trying to comprehend what all wrong he did with you. He's trying to change. This person is actually trying to change. So this person wants to come back to you. This is what I think. And he's thinking about the commitment. He's thinking about all the wrongs which he has done with you. Why I'm saying this? Because he wants to give you the solid commitment. He wants to come and give you a solid proposal, because we have got the card Empress here. He is very lonely. See, we have got this card, the Hermit. He is very lonely. Again, what a beautiful sign, 1111. You guys are twin flames. You guys are twin flames. This is like a very positive sign here. So the Empress card in the bottom of the deck is actually showing that you both want to stay together. You both want to have a happy marriage. You want to live together and grow old with each other. Okay. And yes, Page of Cups. What is the Page of Cups showing here? The Page of Cups is actually showing that this person is stuck on you. This person is really stuck on you, and he is spying on you. This person is spying on you. He has all the updates, whatever you're doing, whatever you're up to, whenever you're coming online, whenever you're talking to somebody else, whatsoever you're doing in your life, this person has his eyes on you. This person is spying on you. He's stuck on you. Maybe you both have age gap between you two. There is an age gap between you two. And this person must be in a long distance relationship. Not for everybody, because this is a general reading. But yes, for some of you, it is there. Yes. So guys, this person is fighting a battle. This person thinks that maybe he cannot achieve you now. He cannot make you understand his love for you, because you are unattainable. Because whatever wrong he has done to you, you are not accepting him. And maybe you'll not accept him. This is what this person is thinking. This person is still confused. He actually wants clarity in his life, but he's not getting it because the third party is controlling this person. He is facing a lot of trouble in his life right now. He's fighting with every second person he's fighting with. See, we have got 5 of Swords and 5 of Wands also. So here I can clearly see that this person must have fought with you. Okay, so yes, now we'll check what are you feeling. How are your feelings for this person? How are you feeling for this person? What are your current feelings towards this person? So stay positive, guys. After that, we'll be checking the initials as well as the love messages through this person for you. So sorry. I'm not gonna take these cards. What are your current feelings for this person? What are you feeling? What do you want? Nine of Pentacles. Okay. King of Cups. Six of Swords. Five of Pentacles. The Sun. Ace of Pentacles. The last one is Page of Wands. Bottom of the deck. Oh, wow. We have got Six of Cups. Amazing. So guys, here I can see that you want commitment from this person. You want him to, and you know, one more thing. Here I would like to add one more thing, that you're also regretful. You are also in the feeling of regret. I don't know why. Maybe you also have said some bad words, some unwholesome remarks to this person. See, here we have got Five of Pentacles, and you are feeling left out. You feel as if this person has left you alone in the dark world. You are so stuck and you are feeling so abandoned, that why this person has left you alone. For what? You have given him all the love. You have, did everything possible for this person. Then why you? You have this question in your mind. Okay. You want him to leave the third party and come to you. We have got this Six of Swords here, which shows that you want this person to leave the third party. You want to just move somewhere to a place, where only you will be there and this person will be there, just both of you two. So you want to just leave everything behind and move forward with this person, wherein you'll be to a place where you'll find solace, happiness, satisfaction. You want this person to be expressive, to be emotionally expressive. This person is not at all coming up with his feelings, whatever is, whatever is rushing into his mind. You want this person to speak up, to come up with the thoughts, with his deep thoughts, to talk, to speak his mind, to speak his heart out. You want this from this person. But this person is not opening up. This person is not ready to open up. You want a happy marriage with this person. You want to stay with this person for life. You want that he should accept you in front of the world. You want to settle down with this person. You want to have babies with this person. You want marriage with this person. You have many wishes. Maybe some of you are manifesting also. And I think your wishes will come true. Definitely it will come true, because we have this positive card here. Okay. And yes, we have got the Sun as well. So this card also shows marriage, childbirth, happiness. You want this from this person, a solid commitment, that he should sacrifice, he should compromise with the situation, he should understand, he should be attracted to you only, he should be loyal to you, he should understand you, that you are the right choice. You want that he should approach you. We have this Ace of Pentacles here, and the aces always show the new beginning, a new start. So you want this person to come up with a proposal, to accept you, to say that yes, he loves you. He wants to stay with you for life, not for temporary gains. Page of Wands. You have age gap with this person. This is what I think. You want him to leave the third party and understand. Actually, this card is showing that you want this person to comprehend, to analyze the situation, to understand, be regretful, and change. You want him to change, to understand and change what he has done to you in your life. You want a solid commitment from this person, definitely. And this card here, see, 6 of Cups, wow. See, again, wow. 10 of Cups. Here also we have got, 4 of Wands, and here 10 of Cups. Empress here. So beautiful messages. You want a stability, a happy life, this person, wherein you can enjoy your life with this person, with, the children around, playing, staying happy, enjoying. You want such a beautiful life with this person. And see, here we have got the 6 of Cups. This card is showing that you want him to express his love for you, to give you surprises, to surprise you with his love, to give you all the emotional satisfaction. This is what you want from this person, and I'm so happy for you, because you think so positive about this person at this stage also, when he has betrayed you, he has left you, still you feel you have such a different mindset for this person, different thoughts, different approach for this person. And I'm so happy to see this, and I wish and pray that you both stay together forever. Okay guys, we'll pick one guidance message for you as well, and after that we'll be checking the messages from him for you. Okay, the guidance message from the angels. What the universe, angels and God wants to say to you. What is the guidance message they want to give to you? Stay positive guys, please. You're awesome. Wow. Okay. Your greatest relationship is the one you have with yourself. Build it, strengthen it, praise yourself, share what makes you proud. Your beaming delight will help others shift from glass half empty thinking to heck, I'm pretty awesome too. Wow, guys, this is such a beautiful message. And here this card is saying that yes, you're awesome. You are actually awesome and an amazing person. You have to shift from that thinking of melancholy to this thought, actually, that you're awesome. Believe it, claim it right away. You have that power within you. You are awesome. You are a very genuine and positive soul. This is what I said right before I picked up this card, that you are awesome. You don't know this fact that you're awesome. So you have to claim this fact. You have to praise yourself. You have to build a relationship with you, because your greatest relationship is the one which you have with yourself. So build it if you don't have it right now. Build it, praise yourself, shares what makes you proud. Because you are pretty awesome, guys. Very beautiful message. Okay. Now we'll be checking the initials for you and your person. This can be your initial as well as your person's initial too. And maybe his surname, first letter. Okay, so here we have got this S. Then we have B, N, W, X, Z, R, H, A, T. In the last we have here is I. Beautiful. Okay. So we'll be checking the messages, what all he wants to say to you. We have got few messages here. Love is the answer. Wow. So the first message is love is the answer. If you're seeking for some answer, love is the answer, dear. Give me a chance. He wants you to give him a chance. Give me some time. So he wants some time from you to understand the situation, to handle everything and come back to you. Then I think you were the best thing in my life. Please come back, baby. I love you. It's complicated. So we have one more message. This is in Hindi. क्या तुम मेरा साथ दोगी? So this person is actually asking you that will you be with him? Will you support him? Will you actually support me? This is what this person is asking from you. Okay. So with the positive message, I love you, and it's complicated. Yeah, I know it's complicated and it's not a positive message, but yes, I love you says everything. You know, this sums up this reading, that I love you. So if you're seeking for this answer, love is the answer. This is what he said in the beginning, and at the last, I love you. So with this positive note, we're gonna end this reading here. I hope you like the reading. If you like it, please share this reading, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next reading. And before signing off, I would like to tell you all that I offer personal readings as well. And if you're looking out, if you want some kind of guidance for your love life, for your career, for anything, you can definitely approach me. And I offer courses as well, tarot card courses and numerology courses. If you wish to learn, you can definitely approach me for the same. See you soon, dear. Bye, my lovely dear ones.